In this video, I'm going to cover setting up your machine configuration, the drill bank, and the auto tool changer. To get there, I can go to the manufacturer ribbon and then select machine setup. In the ribbon now I have a few options. I can select my machine from the dropdown over here. And if I want to view the machine parameters, I select the additional options button in the lower right. When I do, I get an additional dialog that has general parameters about this machine. Like in the options here, this is where I can go and activate the auto tool changer and the drill bank for this machine. If I don't have these active and I start editing the auto tool changer and drill bank, Ibex will automatically ask you if you want to activate them. That way you don't always have to come back here and enable it. Once you get this set, you won't have to change it again. In general, with these parameters, once they're set up and working for your machine, you should never have to come back and edit them in this dialog. So to access the auto tool changer, I select auto tool changer from the ribbon here, and I get the ATC dialog. Now for this machine, my ATC is not configured, so I have a single tool position that is empty. My machine has 8 tool positions, so I can increase the number of tool positions here, and now I have 8 empty tool positions. If I want to load a tool into tool position 3, I select the ellipsis button on the far right of this tool position, and I get a tool selector on the right. So let's load a 1/2-inch ball and mill into that position. I double select it from the tool selector, and now it's loaded. You can do that a couple different times, load a few different tools, and I'm ready to go. If I click OK, it will save to this configuration. If at any time I need to come back and I want to start over, I'm switching jobs, I can select clear in the lower left, and it'll remove all tools from the auto tool changer. And then I can start over and load the new tools I want to load for my new job. To access the drill bank, I select the drill bank button from the ribbon. And similarly, drill bank is not configured for this machine, so let's get started with configuring it. I have one empty tool position at position 00 here. And this is going to be different for every machine, so this is just an example of how to set it up one way. So let's say I have 5 positions on my drill bank. I have clear drills, which similar to the auto tool changer will clear out all the loaded drills. And in this case, I don't have any drills, so I have another option here called fill with tool. If I select that, I can select and auto-populate everything with, let's say, a 1/4-inch drill in this case. Now, they're all on top of each other at position 00 right now, so I just get one green circle. But what I can do is I can start spacing those out accordingly. And using the spinner, right now I have the spinner button set to increment at the standard spacing for my drill bank, which is 32 millimeters. So with just a few clicks, I can space all these out in my configuration and have them in the correct position. Now, if that's not the same for your drill bank, what you can do is select the params button here, and I get my parameters window that pops up on the right here. Here's where I can adjust that spacing, set to 32 millimeters for me right now, and the tolerance for those. And then I can also adjust other parameters here that affect the output of the drill bank, such as where the output position will be from, if only using a single axis of drills is allowed at a given time, limiting the number of drills that can be fired at any given time, or setting the max and min position of the drill bank if this drill bank can't reach every position on my table. So when I'm done, I press OK, and the drill bank is configured. Now I'm ready to use this machine configuration in Ibex. That's it for the machine setup.